Good morning, my friends. Frank Bice here from the Cranwell Foundation. Hopefully I can get this light right. Okay, tomorrow's gospel is the famous scene where Jesus is in the temple and he's sitting across from the treasury, and a lot of people are putting in great sums of money. But an old widow shows up and puts in just 2 pennies, or that equivalent. And Jesus calls the disciples over and says, "See, this woman has given much more than everyone else because she's given all she has." It's so modern day story. Let's say Ford Motor Company gives a gift to the Special Olympics for $10 million. That is an awesome gift. It'll go a long way in supporting Special Olympics. But on Sunday mornings, the football players here from Canterbury volunteer with the Special Olympics to teach the Special Olympians how to play flag football. While that gift from the Ford Motor Company is amazing, I would say the greater gift is my boys volunteering because they're giving the gift of their time, and that's all of our most valuable asset. Another example, we just started a Sports Hall of Fame at Canterbury, and it's awesome. We had our first Hall of Fame dinner. It's absolutely wonderful. I love it. I believe in it. But last week we honored a student here. Her name is Ginny Lee. She has played JV volleyball for 4 years, and we honored her. We had a Ginny Lee Day because of her commitment and dedication. Now, while I honor all of those inducted in the Sports Hall of Fame, I think Ginny Lee teaches us the meaning of sports, showing up every day, doing her best for the love of the game. Another example would be a girl here named Maddie Blau. She's an awesome ice hockey player. She's going to Plattsburgh next year. She already signed a letter of intent. She's a great lacrosse player and a very good field hockey player. In field hockey, she's been playing all season long with a cast on her hand, just working through her pain, giving it up for her teammates. To me, that speaks volumes. That's giving everything you have. And so today, let's think about what we can give. Remember, the major theme in the ministry of Jesus was, if you hold on to your life, you'll lose it. But if you give your life away, you'll live forever. Let's give it all away, just like that widow in the gospel. And if we can do that, we can make the kingdom a reality. Okay, God bless you.